my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to create your own code where you can create a calculator. So I'll tell you the requirements, and of course the one and only studio.h. This is the only library that you need, and return 0, which is very important. Now let's start with the operator. Since operators are stored as characters in C, let's start with char. I mean car. I mean character. And we're going to take operator. For now, for now, we're just going to leave it as space because we will keep updating it. I mean scanf feature. After this, we're going to assign our int number 1 and number 2 values. Now, since our number 1 and number 2 values are assigned with the data types, we're going to write our while loop, which keeps repeating when you don't know how many times. While OP is not or equals to Q, because in this code which we will be writing, when you press Q in the scanf feature, it will exit this code and break this whole code. So let's enter our printf and then write enter your operator plus comma minus comma multiply, of course, slash or q to exit. Now since that we wrote that uh, printf feature, printf, we're going to write scanf. We have to leave a space here. If you don't leave a space after you write modulus c, it is going to give us an error. Of course, I don't remember the error is. You can check it out. Comma and then op. As I told you, we will be replacing the op. Of course. But next, of course, I forgot the and symbol. Without and, you can't write the scanf. Now, since we have the operator in our hands right now, we are going to write the if. So, since we have the operator right now, we're going to write this condition where if you write the q in the enter your operator scanf feature, if you write the q, we're going to display exiting and backslash n. Also, an important feature is over here, guys. Do not in the modulus C, do not put the backslash n, as the the code will basically break. It will not function as you thought of. Then, of course, break the next. Now we're going to ask for our two numbers. Okay. Then enter now we got that done. Scanf, and then our two numbers, which will be modulus d, and let's not leave a space over here. I mean, we could leave space. Let's leave space just in case. Modulus d. we're going to assign our modulus t as n1 comma n2. Now that is assigned, let's go and create our equations for the plus, minus, into, and divide. Let's start with the plus one. If OP equals to plus printf, we're just going to write our equation in the printf function so that there won't be any more complications. Result equals to modulus d backslash n comma and write our equation n1 plus n2. That's it. After that, we are going to enter and write our if function and not else if. After one if, we have to write else if. OP equals to character minus, write our code in here, result modulus t backslash n, then write our equation n1 minus n2 and write our semicolon, else if, you know what, this is getting too tiring, so let's just copy this, paste this, and we just have to remove this feature and write the multiplying feature over here, change the equation, of course control V slash over here slash, and our code is complete with over here. This is a simple calculator where anybody can do. Let's go to our console and try running it. We're going to start with the plus sign and it's going to ask for your two numbers. For example, let's just write 37 plus 3, result 40. And of course it's going to ask again because we wrote the while loop, and minus 5, 3, result 2, multiplication symbol, enter your two numbers, which is going to be 3 into 2, 6, and then slash, we're going to enter 3 and no, 6 and 3, result 2. So that's it, and let's try the not let's not try the let's try the queue yet.